We have installed a water treatment plant. It's a complete water treatment system for a residential place. And down you have the bowel beneath this point, and here you have the bowel motor, which is here. And from the bowel motor, the water goes like this, and this is a aeration tank. And why we have installed this unit is because there is a lot of iron particles in the water, which is very brownish color. So what we do is, this tank is used as an aeration tank, and the water is getting aerated inside this tank, and after this tank it goes to the filtration system, and then goes to the overhead tank. After this is the aeration tank. In the aeration tank, the outlet point is not taken very beneath the water tank, just it's taken half feet above the water tank, so that the iron particles, the dust impurities gets, after aeration, has to settle down. And for that we have just taken a half feet away, and this water pipeline goes to the bowel, that is the feed pump, this is a 1 HP feed pump here, and this from 1 HP feed pump, and this goes down here to the first filtration system. And here you have the iron removal filter, and this is the first filter, and from here it goes to the second part, which also is an iron removal filter, which removes the finer impurities in the water. Finally, and this is the water softening plant, and here you have a resin media inside, which removes the water hardness from the water, and for which you also need to add rock salt inside this. And after this, the water goes out of that pipe, final outlet line, and this goes to your overhead tank, and from here, from the overhead tank, it gets distributed to the whole houses here. There are about 4 houses here, so it gets distributed to all the houses.